First one's up. First piece of the ceiling. And look at the sheen on me already. One board and the sheen. Hi.
We're a bit pink today.
It's okay. It's gonna be a long day. It's gonna be a hot day. This is like 6 control. I don't know how many control wires we needed for this side,
but there's 6.
I ran 6.
Control wires.
Low voltage DC just to run like a control panel.
Fan for the toilet. Fan for the vent.
2.
Hot water heater.
3. We have 6. I figured that was probably more than we needed.
Yeah, I think that's.
So we'll have a couple wires just if we add something or see something.
Which is that's ideal to put in anyways, because it lets you create the voltage you want in the electrical.
But it's very low.
Exactly.
Low. It has to be very low amperage. It's only 18.
So I'm trying to think of what else is on this side.
Right. Not much.
Not a whole hell of a lot. No.
Was that good? That was a little better. That had to be a little better.
No, I didn't feel it. No,
not
really, no.
Okay, alright, cool.
So this side, we have
a hot fucking mess with our puck wires, which we need.
Puck lights.
Let's work on first getting one board up.
Yeah.
Because then we can take these puck lights and get them out of the channel.
And up and over.
And kind of sitting on that center board.
Flip over. Yep, you go right there.
Oh, does the whole thing go down?
Yep.
Why was it? How did you get that whole thing out?
That's what it's been doing.
So that's what it's been doing?
We just
eliminated
that. We've eliminated on the back side.
Yeah. Does that look like a fit now?
Mm-hmm.
Because I know you were not happy with it before.
There we go. That's what we should see. And then you can adjust power.
Perfect.
Where it's just getting...
Just a little more. Okay.
It's
Alright.
working.
Yay!
Good job.
Jocelyn, do you want to set up one of the big blow fans?
Yeah, sure.
Or all 3 of them.
I would love to. Y'all ask me if I need a fan? Of course.
Yeah.
First one's up. First piece of the ceiling. And look at the sheen on me already. One board and the sheen. Hi.
We're a bit pink today.
It's okay. It's gonna be a long day. It's gonna be a hot day. Hey guys, so what we're doing, if you can see that, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Again, in a previous video, we talked about this C that's stamped in our frame. That C, we're 1000% sure stands for center line, because that is on every frame that we measured out, that is the center. So we have our 2 marks on either side of it, showing us where that center line is. And then what we've done is we've gone the width of that cedar board that we're putting up and made marks on either side of it. That way we can put the cedar board centered, our first one, centered on the bus. So you can kind of see how we have that centered right there. Now we don't have to do that afterwards, because all we're going to do is build off one side or the other of it. And Kathy thinks it looks crooked. But So that's what we're doing. We're getting the center up first, all the way down the bus, and then we're going to build off left and right.
If I'm using it, I'm fine.
Okay, cool.
Because I'm not going to nail myself.
Yeah, that's my job.
You want it in the middle of the...
Yeah, and I pull it just a tad.
Are you eating?
I am centered. So your center marks are actually on that next one up. That
Yeah.
next rib up.
I'm trying to.
There. Good.
Good.
You let go. Hold.
I know that one circulates air like loco. That's adorable.
I don't know which way it goes.
No, you have to go that way. Goes like that.
But
Yeah, maybe you're right. Okay, let's take a look. I think you're right, actually. I take it back. But we've got to push.
Aaron, wrong?
Yeah.
The fuck is this?
so either way, we just need to run it full
Hold
ceiling.
it like that. So we want the wood to come in
Yeah,
right like that
on top of it.
on top of the flange, and we want the flange to flatten out. All right, I'll
So
work
we
on
need
that.
to loosen it a little bit.
Yes. Loosen it a little bit so it's less stressed, and then we'll I'll get the dead blow hammer and
Bend it.
bend that flange. I don't like that. You can't loosen it. The bolts were already not loose, but as loose as they could be.
Okay.
Don't try to mate it up. Don't try to mate it up. We're gonna put it like that.
Sure.
So we have our center board up. Oh, we batched those up so that we knew it was decently. Of course, there's small gaps, but yay! Now to do the rest of it. Yay. All right, so of course we ran into a small problem. We realized the hall lights are on the center line. The lights we got, the hole needs to be 4.13 wider than one board. Can't put our lights up until we get the boards on each side up, and then we can drill our hole. So 3 rows it is.
Yay! We'll keep going.
Yep.
Keep you in the loop. Yeah, here.